Whenever this dog hears the word bath, she quickly hides among her toy dogs, thinking no one will notice. But today was different. Her owner needed to take her to the vet for her very first vaccination. So he tried calling her by snapping his fingers, and 2 dogs in the left corner moved, but only one of them was real. Then he tried again, shaking a pack of her favorite treats. Still, the clever pup stayed perfectly still. As a final trick, he pressed a special remote button because every time she hears that click, she thinks it's dinner time. The sneaky little thief gets caught every time.